the mouse and the star. Lisa is a pretty gray mouse. She spends the whole day sleeping with her family. She usually gets up at night. She likes watching the stars. It's her favorite hobby. When the sky is clear, she spends the night looking at the stars through her telescope. She enjoys looking at the bright lights in the sky. But she is afraid of flying saucepans. One night, a flying saucepan flies so close to her. She is scared to death. The following morning, she finds light spots on her tile.